Director of Navemark Foundation and currently the Region Chairperson of Region 1 for Lions Clubs International, District 317B. In association with the Director of Health Services as well as the Art of Living, on this World Diabetes Day, that is 14 November 2021, for the first time in Goa, we are organizing a conclave called Living Happily with Diabetes. Diabetes actually is the mother of all other sicknesses, and unfortunately Goa is like the diabetic capital of India, because for every third person you examine, like who is above the age of 35, they will definitely find sugar levels above 120. And we have done more than 6,000 tests till now at various locations in various villages, and we have seen that most of them are not even aware that they are actually having diabetes. So diabetes is one sickness which can actually lead to all the other sicknesses. But the biggest plus point about diabetes is it is non-viral, it is non-contagious, as well as non-hereditary, I can say. Now why I say non-hereditary is because I have noticed that even though my parents were having diabetes, I could check and see that for me it was more of a lifestyle disease. If you maintain your diet, if you do proper exercise, this diabetes can be easily reversed. And now what happens is, when the people are not taking awareness about it and they are not aware about it, most of them land up in the last stages, which can be in the form of either kidney failures or even the diabetic foot. So on 14 November, all the four organizations together, that is Navemark Foundation, Lions Clubs International, Art of Living, as well as the Director of Health Services, we are gathering together diabetic patients from all over Goa at Institute Minesis Braganza at 4 o'clock on Sunday. And we will be showing them live testimonials of patients with diabetic foot, how they have to actually take care of their foot and see to it that the diabetes doesn't go further. Plus we have live testimonials because we have started these diabetic clubs at 8 locations as of now, and very soon we'll be starting at many more locations. And the best part about this is all the club members are getting all the benefits that the diabetics get from the Director of Health Services. As of now, Goa is the only state which provides all medication, blood tests, everything free of cost. So in that manner, we are very, very lucky to be in Goa, and the Director of Health Services is giving us the best of facilities for it. So much so that now when we have started these clubs, we are even doing the HbA1c test totally free. We are doing their fasting blood sugar, even the medicines are taken in consultation with the Director of Health Services. And what we have noticed from these clubs is community activity, coming together and doing exercises makes a big difference as compared to doing it alone. When you're at home, and the main cause of diabetes these days is actually depression and more of stress. And this stress can be relieved only when you come together as a group. So our idea is to make groups of diabetics at all across the villages and take whatever schemes the government has got to make them use the schemes that they have, so that people utilize all the grants that we have as far as diabetes is concerned, and try to see that we reduce the number, because last year all the cases which died to COVID. This COVID-19 deaths happened more to the diabetic people, not the ones who didn't have diabetes. So if you have diabetes, then your risk itself increases. So to reduce this risk, it can be reduced just with your lifestyles. So if you start with small exercises, like I'll just give you an example. Like in Kavilasim, we started the first Living Happily with Diabetes Club 1 month back. So every week, thrice a week, they meet in the evenings and they do their evening exercises for just half an hour. And within 1 month, we have live testimonials who will be showing there on the on Sunday, wherein they have seen the improvement as far as their lifestyle is concerned. And plus, even if you maintain a proper diet, because we give them nice, simple diet tips, wherein you can actually make your diet easy to understand, and you can control your sugar levels very fast. So my humble appeal is to all the Goans to take the maximum benefit of this Living Happily with Diabetes initiative what we have started, and let's try and identify as many diabetic patients as possible wherein it can be reversed easily. So let's form these clubs all across Goa. In each village panchayat, each primary health center can identify the diabetic people and accordingly conduct such classes for them, so that they are aware that diabetes can be reversed easily. So on behalf of Navemark, I would like to say a very big thank you to all of you for actually coming here and giving us this coverage, and hope to see you all tomorrow for the function, wherein we'll be having live testimonials as well as live videos showing you about the patients, how how they have recovered from diabetes and also reduced their medicine intake. Like patients who have been taking insulin, you can bring down to tablets. Patients who have taken tablets can even reduce the number, and slowly, slowly you can be back to normal. So you can actually enjoy diabetes with just the basic lifestyle disease. Thank you.
Doctor, you have said that Goa is the capital of diabetes.
Yes.
What is the number?
Okay, now
how it is caused?
yes. Now the thing is, when we did the testing all across at different villages, for every 100 tests that we have done on fasting blood sugar, we have found more than 30 people are having above 140. So anybody who is having a fasting blood sugar above 140 is tentative to be actually a diabetic. So what we have done is, after identifying, we have made them into clubs and then started doing the HbA1c test, which is a 3 months average. Now that records we maintain, and after maintaining the records and enrolling them for the exercise program and diet, after 3 months again we will do it and we'll show the improvement, how much improvement is there, only by maintaining diet and exercise, nothing else. We are not giving any medicines, medicines are continued, and the biggest advantage which we have noticed is most of the Goans are still buying medicines from the pharmacies when it's available with the government free of cost. It is only that they have to make a case paper of 20 rupees at the primary health center, show the prescription whichever the doctors have given. Same medicines are available with the director totally free of cost. So you can save almost around 5 to 6,000 rupees every month by just enrolling yourself at the primary health center.
What are the symptoms of the diabetes you get in?
Yes, very good. The first symptom is, as far as diabetes is concerned, main is the strain on the eye. First, the eyesight starts becoming blurry. Then you start getting frequent urination, and more than that, you start getting numbness on the hands and all, and the sleep gets disturbed. And what we have noticed is why Goans are more prone to diabetes is mainly because lifestyle and having late dinners. Like even we were discussing one day with regards to drinking alcohol. Actually speaking, it is not drinking alcohol that makes it diabetic, but it's the snacks along with it and the time you have it. Like if suppose by chance you have dinner first and then take alcohol, it doesn't affect much because you will not over drink. But when you over drink is because we stretch the time so much that anything which you do in excess will definitely be effective. So diabetic doesn't mean to say that you cannot eat anything. Like many people say you can't eat sugar. Actually speaking, it is not that you cannot eat sugar, it is that your body system doesn't allow it. So if you control your diet properly, diabetes can be controlled easily. So it's all depending on your diet as well as your mindset. You have to be positive in life as compared to being depressed in life. Because most of the people who are, like we have seen now the cases, like most of them, the ladies especially, are the ones who are left alone. And they don't have anybody to talk with. When they have a lot of worries, more problems, and then they start bringing it out, so that stress level increases the sugar level also. But once you come in a group, you make a group of all the diabetics together, that group itself brings down your sugar level, because that is what we have noticed. Main is having a group, because so far nowhere in India have they started these diabetic clubs. So if you start the diabetic club where each one starts enjoying themselves, and it is within the village, so it is all among themselves what they do it. And when you do it in a group, automatically you can reduce the thing. So we have started so far 8 at different locations. The first we started at Kamlusim, then we have got at Navilim, we have got at Davodlim, we have got at Kandolim, Aldana, and now Dabolim also we have started. And now on Tuesday we are starting at Ribandar, and on Wednesday, District Hospital South Goa, they also are going to start this program wherein we are going to have the yoga classes in the hospital itself. Because South Goa District Hospital has got more than 400 diabetic patients taking medicines on a regular basis. Their OPDs on Mondays and Wednesdays itself goes more than 100. So there are so many patients who are actually suffering from diabetes, but if we can show them by forming a club and then make them start doing the exercises, because doing exercise alone is difficult, but when you do it in a group, you always enjoy it, and that is how you benefit from it.
Do you know how many centers you are carrying?
So far we have already started 8 centers within this last 2 months, because this started only in the month of August, so now we have just started with this one. So as of now 8, but another 2 are going to start in the coming week, and most probably the third one in Lotolim also is starting, because on this Sunday Lotolim is starting with the blood testing of all house to house. So once they identify the diabetics, then we will Lotolim. So like this, each village to form these clubs, so that and funding for it is totally from Navimar Foundation. Means as far as the tests, the glucometers, then even the whatever medicines and all are required, Government is supporting us as far as medicine is concerned, but organizing the camps is done through the
Government hospitals to brief what you have said today. They have not given any concerns to this.
See, it all depends on actually the doctors who are in charge of those departments. Most of them are interested, but what happens is when doctors tell it, they take it, the patients take it differently. Whereas when someone else comes and says it, there are some change. You cannot change everybody. Whoever comes, they change. Like now, see, because now I'm a totally different person, not from the medical. I'm not posted in Director of Health Services. Not, even though we have the past medical background, but it doesn't mean to say that as doctors we are doing it. But we are doing more as a lay person. So as a lay person coming and explaining regarding diabetes makes a bigger difference as compared to sometimes the doctor saying, because they are already used to the doctor saying the same things again and again, but they want something different.
But controlling the medicine, the doctor doesn't.
Yes, doctor's prescriptions are required, doctor has to monitor it. You can't reduce without taking doctor's permission. But after finishing the exercises and say you do that thing for 3 months, diet control, you check your blood reports, there will be improvement, and based on the improvement, medications can be changed. But don't change it on your own. If you change on your own, you can land up in trouble. So after the blood tests are done, like even your postprandial, the fasting blood sugar and postprandial, there should be a gap of only about 30 to 40 reading. So once you have that readings done, then it becomes easier for you to understand. But doctor's prescription, doctor's consultation is always required. You cannot be a self-doctor.
Secondly, question is that even if you have a low diabetes, that also affects, and high also it affects.
Yes.
So what is the...
Okay, now it's not diabetes, it's low blood sugar. See, whenever your blood sugar drops down, automatically your sensation starts moving out and the brain stops functioning. Because brain requires glucose in order to function. But when this glucose production stops and comes down, automatically the brain stops functioning and the person falls giddy. So low sugar levels also is dangerous. So because of that, you cannot overdo the things. And high blood sugar, you cannot do any operation because you try any medicines. A person who is with sugar levels of above 180, fasting and HbA1 more than 8 or 9, it's very difficult. Medicines will not act on it.
Okay.